Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you don't have money in your bank accounts or because you're broke? Hello. In today's video, I will show you how you can travel to the Netherlands for free. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new here, by all means, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know your name. What is your name? What do you do for a living? Where are you watching from? What part of the world are you tuning in from? And how did you find my video? I'm nosy like that. I really want to meet every single one of you that's tuning in to watch my videos right here on this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. I want to say a big thank you to you guys. Like, I owe you everything. Thank you for your massive love and your incredible support to your girl. Thank you for always sharing my videos. Thank you for deeming it fit to share my videos. Thank you for clicking on the share button every single time you tune in to watch my videos. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the depth of my heart. And to all of you that are watching me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. Besties, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And here on this channel, I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So make sure that you join me here on this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I publish a new video. So without further ado, let's get right into this business. Come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. So guys, have you heard of the Orange Knowledge Program 2025? Do you want to study in Netherlands, one of Europe's most innovative and student-friendly countries? Then say hello to the Orange Knowledge Program, OKP for short. It's a fully funded opportunity that is designed to build capacity and skills in professionals like you from developing nations all around the world. Here are some details you need to know about the program. It is funded, OKP is funded by the Dutch Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and they offer short courses between 2 to 12 week master's programs in areas like water management, agriculture, education, public policy. The scholarship coverage, now the OKP provides full tuition fees, visa and travel costs. Yes, so they'll pay for your flights to and fro. So you see this channel here, I'm spilling all the tea. I'm giving you the juice. I'm giving you great valuable resources that will help you become the best version of who you are. So guys, they also cover your travel costs as well as your health insurance and your living allowance. And you also study in a top-ranked Dutch institution while expanding your skills and career potential. Now, to qualify, you must be a national of an OKP eligible country. You must have work experience in a development related to, and you must be nominated by your employer. You must have a solid plan for how you'll apply your education back home, back to your home country. All you need to do is apply through the Dutch institution offering the program. Prepare a powerful statement of purpose and employer letter. Focus on how your studies align with your country's development needs. Are you ready to build a brighter future in the land of tulips and technology? Guess what? I've done all the homework for you. Smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more global scholarship opportunities, and check the link in my description. Have you heard of the Orange Knowledge Program? Guys, this is a smart way to actually make your dreams come true on zero budget. Like I said, they will pay for your flights, they pay for your accommodation, they pay for everything. They even give you monthly stipend. So guys, if you fancy getting a fully funded master's degree while you're enjoying yourself, while they pay, then let me introduce you to this OKP program. Make sure that you apply today. Do not even sleep on it, because it has the potential to literally change your life. Have you been thinking or you've been dreaming of studying abroad? I want to tell you this, guys. It will be the best decision you've ever made in your life, because beyond academics, it is a game changer for building powerful global network. And here is the reason why. It gives you diverse connection. Yes, because studying abroad connects you with peers, with professors and professionals from different cultures and industries. Now, these relationships can also open doors to international career opportunities. You also get global perspectives, guys. You engage with diverse viewpoints, and it enhances your adaptability and cultural intelligence skills. And this is what employers value in today's interconnected world. You also get access to the alumni network, because universities abroad have strong global alumni communities. Literally, you can tap into these networks. They can lead to mentorship and also collaborations, as well as job opportunities or job prospects, as the case may be. You also get access to events and collaborations, guys, from international conferences to campus clubs. You're going to have countless opportunities to network with industry leaders and like-minded peers. You also get career boosts, because relationships built abroad can translate into recommendations. It can translate into partnerships or even startup collaborations in the future. Guys, if you ask me, studying abroad is not just about the degree, it's about building a network that spans the globe. Now, are you ready to take the leap? Share your thoughts and your experiences below. Have you ever traveled outside of your home country before? What countries have you been to? Have you studied abroad before? Are you even studying abroad currently, or are you planning to relocate from the current country that you are to another country? Let me know in the comments. And if you have any question for me, please do not hesitate to let me know in the comments. I am here to support you, and if you would like to book a one-on-one consultation with me, that is also totally okay. All you need to do is to join my Patreon community. You can find the link in the description, or you can also join my channel membership. You can find the join button right next to the subscribe button right here on this channel. So go ahead and join either of the two. And if you're feeling so good, if you're in a good mood, you can join both of them. That's okay. Yeah, no pressure. So guys, once you do that, once you join my Patreon community, you join my membership community, then you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. It is free of charge. So yes, go ahead and join my communities, and then we can discuss. We can help you tailor that statement of purpose, or help you tailor your applications to the desired school, to the best school, depending on your own preferences. So guys, that is about. And quick one, if you're planning to travel abroad at all, please note that you need to apply. Please, you have to actually apply for these opportunities, because watching this video does not translate to automatically getting picked or getting selected or getting admission or getting scholarship. You have to apply, yes, in person. You have to apply to study. You have to actually apply to study. You have to apply for admissions, and you also need to apply for scholarships. Some of them are automatic. I mean, when you apply for admission, some scholarships are automatic, and they might consider you for that. But please always make sure that you read all the tiny fine print, read all the criteria and everything that you need. If you need to write test of English and foreign languages, please go ahead and do that. I noticed a lot of people want to run away from writing foreign tests, writing IELTS. See, it is not rocket science. It's not tough. It's not hard. I did it and I passed. So can you. So go ahead and check out these opportunities. Check out their websites. And yes, in my next video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to travel to Japan for free. And quick one, I also have an opportunity on how you can travel to the UK without going through the study route. And I am here to bring every single details to your very doorstep. All right, guys, if you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. And if you have not introduced yourselves yet, my God is watching you. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to share this video with your friends, your village members, your park members, your school, your church. Just share this video with all of your people. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. And in case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I am so proud of you. All right, take care, guys, and bye for now. Love you.